Do you want to make $10,000 as a student? Well, you're in the right place. Imagine having the financial freedom to buy what you want, pay off student loans, or even start saving for your future all while still in school. Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Hey there! If you're a student trying to figure out how to make money without quitting school, you're not alone. A lot of students struggle to balance schoolwork and finances, but guess what? You don't have to choose one or the other. In this video, I'll walk you through a proven strategy that can help you make $10,000 or more, even while you're still in class. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Let's dive in. 1. Leverage your skills. First things first, think about what you're good at. Are you great with technology? Can you write well? Are you a natural at design or social media? Every student has a skill or talent they can turn into cash. For example, if you're good at writing, you can start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Medium blogs. If you're tech savvy, consider offering tutoring services for subjects like programming, web design, or graphic design. Students around the world are always looking for help in these areas. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can start making money today. Pro tip: build a portfolio of your work so potential clients can see what you're capable of. Even if you're just getting started, you can create a few sample projects to showcase. Step 2. Start an online business. Next up, let's talk about starting an online business. I know, you're probably thinking, how can I run a business and study at the same time? But here's the thing, many online businesses don't require much time to get up and running, especially if you automate a lot of the processes. You could start something like print-on-demand products where you design t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs and sell them on websites like Teespring or Redbubble. All you have to do is design, upload, and market. The site takes care of everything else. Pro tip: use social media platforms to build your brand. Instagram and TikTok are great places to showcase your designs and reach potential buyers. Step 3. Invest in your education. Wait, you might be thinking, I thought we're talking about making money, not spending it. Here's the thing. Investing in the right courses, tools, or even certifications can actually help you make money faster in the long run. Online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare can teach you high-demand skills like digital marketing, coding, and content creation skills that will be worth thousands of dollars once you get good at them. Instead of spending all your free time scrolling on your phone or binge-watching Netflix, use that time to learn something valuable that can bring you income. The knowledge you gain today can set you up for a steady stream of income in the future. You don't have to spend a lot of money. There are tons of free resources available on YouTube and other websites. Look for free courses and tutorials to get started. Step 4. Side hustles and passive income. You've probably heard the term side hustle, and yes, it's a real thing. As a student, you have the flexibility to work part-time jobs or start side businesses that don't require a 9-to-5 commitment. Consider gigs like driving for Uber, delivering food with DoorDash, or even pet sitting. And if you're looking for a more passive income source, affiliate marketing might be your answer. You can promote products through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel and earn a commission every time someone buys through your referral link. Pro tip: look into multiple streams of income. The more sources you have, the more money you can make. Step 5. Networking and building relationships. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but who you know. Networking is essential to any business, and being a student gives you access to a huge pool of potential clients, collaborators, and mentors. Attend networking events, join student groups or clubs that align with your interests, and use LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your field. These relationships can open doors to new opportunities, internships, and collaborations that can lead to significant income. Pro tip: don't be afraid to ask questions or seek advice from people who are further along in their career. Most people are more than happy to help, especially if you're showing initiative. So there you have it. Making $10,000 as a student is totally achievable when you combine your skills, knowledge, and time wisely. Remember, consistency is key. It won't happen overnight, but with the right strategies, you'll be well on your way to reaching your financial goals while still enjoying the college experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. And hey, if you have any tips of your own or questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.